have here 1.2 tons for horsepower. This machine has a very good concept. It's a very easy machine. It's not a Chinese standard quality, but this quality is more and more higher. We have here the motor. The motor is one Kubota motor, water and oil cooler. What other small excavator don't have. This is very important. This is oil cooler. And after we have the diesel tank on another side. You can open the cover. You have everything here. You have the water to check here, the battery. You have the oil filter and the oil check. The motor oil check is very easy to can go. You can see in 5 minutes you can check the basics on this mini excavator. After you have here one level, you can change in two positions. You can extensible the undercarriage, and here you have the blade, and you have here these two for traveling, forward and back. And after you have here, you can close, very simple to close. Cover is closed. We have the key here. You can close by the key, and other people can open. And after the seat, you can, if the people weak, small, you can seat front and back. And here you have the safety joystick. When this is closed, you have the pressure in the hydraulic system. When this is open, now you can move nothing, but the machine don't have power, don't have hydraulic system. And you have here the safety belt. You have a driver, when the driver go out, you have to have the belt, the safety belt, and we have here the cylinder, the boom cylinder. On the top you can damage the cylinder here, don't can. And after you have an arm cylinder, a bucket cylinder, and you can have this machine with a quick coupler in mechanical only. After further, you can, this is the swing boom. You can then arm swing boom left and right, and then another side, on this side, here, this side you have for the hammer line. The hammer line you push in front is the hammer, push back is another option. A grabber or another attachments. This is the for RPM, for the power. And after, when you can go, this is the important point, when you go inside, in one door is not so high, you can open two bolts here, and you can go down. You can go inside in every house. The machine is, I think, high quality, and everything is prepared before you assembling. It's painting. The machine is not painting after, but it's painting before, and this is the high quality in the painting line. You can have, here is for the truck, you can push inside the grease, you can extend on the truck, very simple. And you have the traveling gearboxes and hydraulic motors incorporated all together. It's not the hydraulic motor outside, but all inside. Many small excavators have them in hydraulic motor outside. This is not so easy. This concept from this machine is like a big excavator, only in small. I think when you say this machine, the customer has a very easy machine for the future. Thanks.